Pull up to the honey hole with bro and him and throwing in his cushion in the spliff.
Gotta be swallowing. Hey! A rock bass. Rock bass is for dinner. I'll try and get you another one. I go get a drink. After that, had to feed the fish. I mean, had to feed the bird. My heron friend. Got one. Look at him. Got a big one. A nice fish. Just trying to get him sideways. There he goes. Go down and get a drink. He's eating good today. Really straightened out like it was getting hit, but it was so hard to tell with this wind. Like crazy windy out of nowhere. But one time I don't want to catch one, I want to get bait. Trying to catch bait to catch catfish with a little worm with a little hook, end up catching a catfish. Alright, let's get him in there. Now we got bait. That's what I was hoping to get, the white perch. As I'm cutting up the bait. Look at that. Oh, he swallowed it. Swallowed. They just have those two things on their sides. There's two catfish though before we even got our true bait out. Oh, might be a bass. Jumping like that. It is. Ow, I don't know. Oh. That was a smallmouth bass though. Yeah, that sucks. Sucks that he got off like that, but at least we got to get him in. Got him on land to see him.
It was his destiny to get off because he was
Right?
crazy.
Yeah. That's pretty cool though. Little exercise.
He was definitely
Yeah,
taking it and going.
He's not big, but he's nice on the other ones. Yeah, he's not big, but he's a little big on the other one. You know, you're really just a hair bigger. You feel bigger? Do I have to reel mine in or?
No, he's coming.
That's a nice one. Hold on. Hold on a second. You need the net or? Yeah, just be safe. He's nice here. Where is he? Just watch out, that thing is there. He's not huge, but he's. I think it's one of the day.
Oh, wait.
Wait. Put it down. Yeah. I got it. But yeah, still let a little bit out. What do you say?
Put more lean to it.
There's that fresh piece I just put on. It's still good enough to throw back out there. I'm trying to slither away. He's long. He's still doing it. He is ready. Shit, he's got me up in the... Pulling through the pads. He's a nice one. Get that net in there. Get him. There we go. He's a good one. He is a solid one now. Give me a good fight. Yeah, that's a nice one though. Little guy. A little guy, but still better than getting a crab. That's a nice one, unless you have him foul hook, so it's easy with him. Come over here. Come over. Yeah, come over here. He's like really jerking.
That's what I said. I don't know what's going on.
All right, go easy.
Unless it's
a big eel.
turtle.
Whoa,
The other one's going.
No, go easy. I know. I say it's a big eel.
Oh my god, that's why. It's huge.
Yeah, it's a very big eel. Here,
That's scary looking.
here, get him in the net.
Oh my god, it's huge.
Wait. Yeah, it's a big eel.
I'm trying to keep it up because I don't want it to spin and then get all in the holes.
I know. I'm gonna cut the line anyway. Here, we can get him out. I just wanted to. He's already doing it.
Tiny is there.
Oh.
It's so little. Oh my god.
White perch, size of the palm. That would be
So
good.
bait.
That would be a good bait to throw out alone. Yeah. We're gonna leave soon though, so that is.
Oh my god, it's so tiny.
Gotta get this eel back in.
Where'd it go?
He's right there, sitting right there.
I don't touch that thing.
Show them boots off right now. Oh, man, got the new boots. Look at those things right there.
Mud bugging with the new boots.
Mud bugging with the boots.
Let's go.
We finally got to get out here together. We finally got a day off together.
Honey hole hookup.
Yeah, that's
baby.
it. We're trying to get man, we're trying to get bait right now. You know, you recognize this spot. Nothing. There's a real little one. Hey, something. I'm just hoping we get more. Okay, we got one. Shit, he's deep in these weeds. Big bullhead, I think. Yeah, big one though. The size of him. My man's pole, he's up there. What you up there doing? He's up there rolling. That's a big old bullhead though. The size of that. Look how thick he is.
Look at that color. Oh my goodness. Look at the head on that.
Yeah, no, I know. That's what I'm saying.
Shit.
Damn. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. You know it's always you gotta catch the fish every time when you're doing something, yeah. Yeah. Tighten that drag up, no? Oh no.
Big.
Big, you saw that wave?
Big.
Nice one. What is that? Yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, yeah. There you go. I couldn't tell. The way that was coming in.
What is that?
The way that was coming in, he looked the cone, it looked weird.
Come on, baby, we got him.
There he is.
I knew he was out there. Nice little larvae. For the boys. That's for the boys. Got him. Yeah, baby.
Oh, that's a nice one.
That's what we came for.
How many times were you getting hit over there?
Yeah, about 6. He took about half a dozen worms.
He took about half a dozen worms.
Yeah, man.
Right over where we just got that big old bullhead.
Try to eat my finger.
Other one. That the same one? That one was more. Would you have that on, or did you get that on when you were bringing them in?
I was bringing them in.
Go clean him off. After getting nothing, clean him off. After getting nothing for a while, what is that? Oh, he's smaller than the other one. The other one was bigger. The other one, I mean, what'd you get the other one? Was that 15 minutes ago?
Yeah, maybe about 10 minutes ago.
10, 15. That was like in a dolphin show right there. Flip. He's lively.
Flipper, dude, right back in that hole.
He just pulled the flipper. Hey, right back. All three, both bass and the bullet all caught out of that hole right there.
Funny hole for him.
There you go.
Yeah,
Feels good to be out in the water pulling bass again, right?
yeah. Pulling bass right now, dude.
Pulling a
Nice
bass.
one for the Nature Boy shake.
Pulling a bass today.
Be back on the water for him.
There you go.
Eat the GoPro. Eat the GoPro.
Yeah. There he is. Is it a perch? Yeah, it's a nice perch. Nice perch. In that same hole over there. Little pliers. That hole's deadly. Nice perch. Every fish has been caught out of that same hole right there. It's all up in the weeds. Something big's on there though. Gee. Another big monster bullhead. Oh my God. Look at the size of him.
Oh, he's a toad. Damn, that's a toad. Oh my God.
Get those brutal pliers. That was that one you threw deep in there. I just saw it went. I didn't think I was gonna get in the weeds. And when I got in the weeds, I was like, damn, he's
His
big.
Mouth. Look at his mouth. He's a toad. I told you this place was fire.
You didn't know there was bullheads like this in there, right?
God. He didn't look like a fucking blue. And let your boy saves the hook. No sinker? Sinker's down
Yeah,
here.
stick it in here. Go put your fish back. I caught him. Go release him. That's nice. Hold him like that. Yeah, watch out for that top spin. You got him? Look at this size. He's just a big bullhead right there. Damn.
Big fish, big reels, got that fish skill, big fish.